Satisfying blackhead extraction. Deep pore cleaning. One pore stands out, everything looks normal at first. Until one clogged pore catches your attention. A dark, compact blackhead is sitting deep inside the skin, making this the perfect target for today's extraction. Preparing the skin, the area is carefully cleansed before extraction. Surface oil and residue are removed so the clogged pore can be clearly seen and treated with controlled pressure. The extraction begins. The extractor is positioned around the pore and gentle pressure is applied. Slowly, the dark plug begins moving toward the surface. This is where the satisfying part begins. The plug finally releases. After controlled pressure, the stubborn blockage finally releases from the pore. The compact material appears much larger than expected compared with the tiny opening on the surface. Another clogged pore. Just when the first extraction is complete, another dark clogged pore appears nearby. Instead of stopping, the cleaning continues across the surrounding area. The clean pore reveal. After the buildup has been removed, the difference becomes clear. The treated area looks cleaner and less congested while retaining realistic natural skin texture. The final transformation. The session ends with a noticeably cleaner looking complexion. The goal isn't perfect poreless skin, it's reducing visible congestion while keeping the skin looking healthy and natural. That extraction was satisfying. If you want more deep blackhead extractions and intense pore cleaning transformations, make sure to like, subscribe to Skin Remedian, and comment.